Your vehicle is more than just a mode of transportation. It's your lifeline, your safety net on the road. But did you know that worn-out tires can reduce the performance and safety features of your vehicle? That's why tire rotation is so important. Different vehicles require different maintenance schedules, and driving habits can also play a role. While you can rotate your tires at home, Professional Service has distinct advantages. They can adjust the rotation pattern based on your tire wear and driving conditions. That's where Beaver Chevrolet comes in. Our team of experts emphasizes a no-compromise approach to tire maintenance. Don't underestimate the power of properly maintained tires. They are the wheels that keep the world turning. And by taking care of them, you're ensuring that your ride is as smooth and safe as possible. Take care of your tires, and they'll take care of you. Schedule professional tire service with Beaver Chevrolet today. Visit our website for more information. 30 seconds could save your life on the road. Your safety is our top priority.